Hi guys, this is Harish Gaupale. Welcome to you in my channel Technology of LabVIEW and Automation. Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you basic example based on for loop. So let's move to the screen. Now guys, right click on this block diagram window, then go to the structure palette and click on this for loop and draw here. Okay. Now guys, it's supposed we want to print a table of any number like 3, 4, 5 or 6. So how we can read a table of 3 or 3 for any number from LabVIEW? Let's write a code for this. So first we need 10 iteration to read the table. So create a constant to this count terminal, create constant and enter the value 10. Okay. Now right click on this block diagram window, then go to the numeric palette and select multiply. Okay, and kept here. You can see three terminals have this tool. Two are the inputs and one is the output. Also create controller to the X terminal. Create controller. Okay. Now again go to the function palette, then go to the numeric palette and click on this increment and kept here. Okay. Now connect this input terminal to the loop iteration, change the position and connect this output terminal to this Y controller. Okay. Now guys, question arises here why I have connect this increment to the loop iteration. Okay, because we know that this loop iteration count from 0 and 0 multiply anything is equal to 0, and I don't want to get first iteration as a 0. That's why I have connect this increment tool and I have entered loop count is equal to 10. That means what? It will count from 0 to 9, but because of this increment function this 0 to 9 becomes 1 to 10. Okay, and then we'll get a perfect result. Okay, now also I want to see the iteration. So for that, create indicator. Right click on this function palette and then go to the numeric and click on this numeric indicator. Okay, and then kept here. Now change the name from numeric to iteration, iteration iteration. Okay, come to the block diagram window, then change the representation of this iteration indicator, go to the representation and then click on this I32. Similarly here you can see not occurred here because two different types of data are connected to this one of the functions. So change the representation of this X controller from double to I32. Okay, now I want to see the iteration from 1 to 10. So connect this iteration indicator to this increment function while loop. Now change the position of this controller and then this iteration. Okay, now again come to this block diagram window and connect indicator because we want table. Just 1 second guys. Okay, create indicator, change the position. Again, now select both of controller and indicator and then increase their size by click on this control and is equal to. Okay, then increase the size horizontally. Okay, now I want table of 2, so enter 2. Okay, and then click on this run button. Now you can see the answer directly answer 20. Why? Because it is very fast guys. So we want every iteration after 1 second. So connect delay. Now how you can connect delay to this for loop? Right click on this block diagram window, go to the timing function, click on this wait function and kept here. Now create constant to this wait in milliseconds, create constant and enter 1000. 1000 is equal to 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. Okay, now click on this run button. Now you can see 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 20, 2 tens are 20. Okay, now I want table of 3. Now click on this run button. You can see table of 3. Now guys, right click on this front panel window, go to the decoration and click on this raised frame and drop here. Then select all the indicator, controller and raised frame. Then change the position. Okay, similarly change the color of this background window. Click on this paint option, then right click, and I want this color. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now go to the normal and then change the size of this front panel window. Now come to this block diagram window, click on this for loop and press Ctrl and U, that is cleanup diagram. Okay, so this is the one of the example based on for loop. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you really like this video or if you learn something new today, then give this video a like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends.